So I compiled in my glass thrifted bowl all my fidget toys and squishies and like anxiety fidgets that I have, and I'm gonna play with them. Let's see what they sound like. This one reminds me of the 90s. I had one, I thrifted this one. This isn't my original one, but love it. Oh, you remember these from the book fair? It's a little. It's hard to hold on to. Next, we have a donut. This is a lanky box donut from a surprise bag. Alright, next. I don't even know what this is called. I just like to pull the hairs on it. Let's name this one a puffy ball, a rubber puff. Oh, this is a favorite. This is a pain one, and it spins. And you could leave marks when you really want to bite your nails off. Alright, next. Oh, let's do a slinky. Oh my god, have you ever did a slinky down a staircase? And it just bloop, bloop, bloop. It's so satisfying. Alright, next. Stretch Armstrong. I love the texture of his body. He's very loved. He barely has underwear now. Alright, we're getting to the end. Oh, I love this one. It's a Kuromi. This one has beads. Oh my god, I just popped it open. Oh fuck. Oh my god, that's so sad. I think this is the perfect time to end the video. Jojo, back up. No, Jojo. He's trying to eat them. Go. You're not eating these beads.